What is up, guys? Welcome back. Thank y'all for the support. Today we've got a special video for y'all. We're actually upgrading the brakes on the car. We've actually got Akebono, that's how it's spelled. I know people say Akebono. I'll just say Akebono just for the flow, you know. But we got ACT1118 pads. They're ceramic. And then we're actually sponsored by R1 Concepts now. So they just sent over some GEOMET carbon rotors that are drilled and slotted. So yeah, we got Kevin here. Myself. I'm already on my ramps so we can get started, and then Nick's car. And here are the rotors that we got. R1 Concepts, baby. So yeah, we're about to swap these out. Everyone knows that the OEM pads are hella dusty and the wheels are caked.
You don't know what he's doing.
Oh!
You just know what he's doing.
Oh! So yeah, our rotors look like they're starting to get warped. I don't know. I mean, the whole idea for me was I just wanted like no brake dust. So I wanted to switch the pads. Might as well change it all if we're doing it, you know, right now. And then I also need to repaint my caliper because it's actually chipped. Yeah, let's get started. We turned the caliper facing out. And then there's actually a release pin for the caliper right here. It goes in right there. You just pull it out. And then you should be able to push it in this pin spring here. And the pin will slide out. There's the pin. And then this pad holder comes out. And you can already see the pad is coming off. So yeah, I loosen it and this slides right out. Damn! I was close. That's like 60k miles. Caliper now, we got the pads out as you've seen. I just got a box here just so we could rest this caliper on it so we don't put any tension or stress to break the brake line. And we're gonna need a 17mm to remove these two 17 mils on the back. They're the ones that are really close to the caliper itself. So here's the caliper brake line. And the bolt is right up here on top, and the other one's directly on the bottom. I'm gonna use my jack handle to get leverage on this. Got the caliper off, but the rotor's stuck, and we got Nick coming to clutch with this bolt to take it out. M8 1.25 by 60. Just goes in here and threads to break it off. Fits. But yeah, now we're just gonna. Oh, it's off. There we go. Does anyone see a problem here? I already emailed them to send me the correct set, but we're just gonna rock these for now until they send that in, and then I will redo the process again, and we'll move on to the rears. Because yeah. I came all this way, I waited this day to do it, and this happened. And this same exact thing, or not same exact thing, but happened to Nick, where they actually sent him wrong rear rotors also, but he got his replaced already and they're on. Nah, but for real, seems like the warehouse, something communication's not working out over there. He got a wrong set, I got two same sides, but I'ma still rock it for now until they send me a new one. Alright, so I actually have some caliper wrap, and I actually took off the paint already, as you can see. I didn't plan on doing this today, but I already had this material in my trunk and we're already this far. And they sent me the wrong rotor, so I guess this will make me happy. Hopefully it sticks on great and bonds to the caliper as I want it to, because I heard this material is pretty thick and it might be hard to be flexible, and the Amazon reviews weren't too good. This is reflective caliper wrap and it's heat resistant, so we're gonna see how well this does. If I fail, oh well, I'm gonna repaint these anyway, and you know, I already spent my money on this, so we're gonna try it out. The heat gun, because I don't think I need to cut it. Just wrap the caliper. From right here, it looks good, but up close, I'm not really proud of it. I'm gonna run it until it falls off or something, but that's how it looks from here. You can see the harsh yellow on the back, because that's what my old yellow is, and that's the front yellow. But yeah, I'm not not sure. But this is reflective. I'm about to show y'all how it looks at night. So yeah, let's just finish up the rotor install and get this over with. So Akebono only comes with 2 grams of this brake lube, and we're greasing up the back of the pads, and then we're gonna slide them in really quick.
You're gonna be here for a while.
What do you mean?
You got 3 more wheels.
It's not bad.
Hey, at least y'all came early.
Alright, so caliper's wrapped. I have to put a patch up here because it was lifting, but once we put on the wheels, it won't look too bad. Right. This is 3M reflective. I'm gonna show you at night with the wheel on too, because right now it obviously looks stupid, but yeah, that's how much the wrap could cover. Is that much of a caliper is what it's showing basically, and then we're reinstalling the spacers, and then we'll throw on the wheels real quick. Young, already finished it. 5 minutes.
Hey, don't hate me, okay? Do we have all Lexus here? But I'm wearing an actor hat. This is my work hat. That's why it's all dirty.
Keep the dreams.
Bro, this
And the beignet. You the man.
Yeah.
Kevin's doing a wrap with his Taro. Is it
Why don't we have a walkthrough
Yeah.
of all the cars?
walkthrough? Because we're doing a brake install.
But we got the wrong brake.
I already put him on anyway.
And plus, he's too lazy to actually use power, or he's
No, look at that.
too try hard to actually use power tools. He's
Look
like
at those
going
tools.
the
You
hard
don't
way.
like that?
But like, I was okay.
Shout out to Ung, helping me take out my spacer, which that side also got seized and stripped. Leah pulled up. This is their cars. Ung's, Leah's, murdered out, all black. We're off. Thank you, Ung.
You're welcome. I might
Again,
have Corona.
this goes-
What's up, guys? 1 hour later.
See what happens. Car still lifted,
Don't use the proper tools
but
to do the shit properly. He refuses to use any tools. He wants to do everything the hard way.
yeah, I want to do it the hard way. Kenny spec, yep. I want to learn from the ancestors that, you know, created tools, not just a shortcut. But we finished the rotors. We're done. The pads are in. Yeah. Now we just wait for the new rotors to come in. I only wrapped 1 caliper. I'm done with the wrap. I'm leaving that on, and I'm gonna get some paint.
This dumbass didn't even want to take off the paint off the old one, so now the paints are flicking off.
Anyway, I'm gonna get some paint, redo it. Peace. Just wanna plug in a clip real quick of how the rotors look, and here's what the reflective caliper looks like. As you can see, this is painted yellow, but it's not reflecting, but that is wrapped yellow up there, and it's reflecting. It's pretty cool, but it's a very hard caliper to wrap, and I don't think I'm gonna keep it for long. I'm gonna go with paint, even though I do like it. I really like it actually, but it's just really hard material to work with, and the caliper is very complicated. What's up, guys? It is weeks later from the install, and I finally got the R1 rotors back, the replacement rotors, the correct rotors that I'm supposed to get. So yeah, I already installed those. I didn't bother recording it because I was just so like fed up with it already, but I know in the install video earlier I put them on, and I put them all on backwards. The vanes inside the rotors are directional, so the top of the rotor where the vanes are supposed to point to the back of the car, so that made the Jordan slotted slots from the top of the rotor point to the front. And I will show you that right now. It is supposed to face forward this way with the slots on the top, and then the vanes are going the other way on the top to the back of the car. And yeah, I just took these out for a spin to get broken in. They're not quite broken in all the way yet, but yeah, that coating will wear out. And I'm not sure if y'all seen this, but hold on, let me turn on the flash. I just changed the color. Well, I changed it whenever I did the rotors, but I don't think I recorded it because yeah, I was having trouble with the pistons, and then the rotors were facing the wrong way, so I didn't bother recording anymore. But yeah, this is Torque and Teal color by Duplicolor. It's actually engine enamel and it looks pretty good. I use VHT engine enamel clear coat, so yeah, it's pretty smooth there. And I did it on all four. I actually fixed the directions on both the front ones, but the rear, the direction is still facing back for the slots, and I would like them matching, but this one doesn't really matter since the vanes are pointing straight up and down. So yeah, I mean, if it's pointing straight up and down, it's all preference. It's just looks. So I think I'm gonna just rock it like this for now. And yeah guys, thanks for watching the video, thanks for the support. I'll see y'all in the next one.